Hiya! Welcome back to UK Routine. Today we're tackling one of the most important and sometimes tricky parts of driving in the UK, navigating roundabouts like a pro. Whether you're a new driver or just need a refresher, stick around as we break it down step by step. Let's get started, and don't forget to follow us for more driving tips and tricks. 1. What is a roundabout? A roundabout is a circular intersection where traffic flows clockwise around a central island. Vehicles entering the roundabout must give way to traffic already circulating. 2. Approach the roundabout. Identify the signs and markings. Look out for the roundabout ahead signs, a triangle with 3 arrows, and road markings indicating lane directions. Reduce speed. Slow down as you approach. Typically, speed limits near roundabouts are 30 miles per hour or lower. Choose the correct lane. Follow road signs and markings to select the appropriate lane based on your intended exit. Left exit, stay in the left lane. Straight ahead, stay in the left or middle lane, unless signs indicate otherwise. Right exit, use the right lane.
3. Entering the roundabout, give way to traffic. Yield to vehicles approaching from your right already in the roundabout. Check mirrors and blind spots. Ensure it's safe to merge into the roundabout. Signal appropriately. Left turn. Signal left as you approach. Straight ahead. No signal upon entering, but signal left before your exit. Right turn. Signal right as you approach and switch to left before your exit.
4. Inside the roundabout, stick to your lane. Stay within your chosen lane and avoid drifting into others. Maintain a steady speed. Drive at a consistent pace, but be prepared to stop for pedestrians or emergencies. Keep an eye on exits. Watch for exit signs to avoid missing your turn.
5. Exiting the roundabout, signal left, indicate your intention to exit when passing the exit before yours. Check mirrors, ensure there's no vehicle in your blind spot as you change lanes to exit. Exit smoothly, leave the roundabout without disrupting traffic flow.
6. Key rules to remember: priority. Always give way to traffic on your right unless road signs or markings indicate otherwise. Pedestrian safety. Watch out for pedestrians using crossings near roundabout exits, cyclists and motorcyclists. Be cautious of cyclists and motorcyclists who may take a more central position in the lane. Mini roundabouts. Treat mini roundabouts with the same rules, but note that their smaller size may require tighter turns. Common mistakes to avoid: wrong lane selection. Always plan your route and choose the correct lane early. Failing to signal. Proper signaling is crucial for clear communication with other drivers. Entering too quickly. Approach slowly and ensure the roundabout is clear before entering. Lane swapping inside the roundabout. Stick to your lane until it's time to exit. Final thoughts: roundabouts can seem tricky at first, but with practice and a clear understanding of the rules, they become easy to navigate. By following these steps, you'll drive through roundabouts like a pro, keeping yourself and others safe on the road. Stay tuned for more driving tips, and don't forget to follow UK Routine for more helpful content.